So hey, what's up guys, I am GOAST RIDER PUBG, and in this video I will show you how to make a popsicle boat or ice cream stick boat just like this. So first of all, you have to make a structure like this. So it's equivalent triangle like this, and let me show you. So you have to keep two sticks like this, one on top of another, and then make sure the distance between these two is equal to ice cream stick. So as you can see, this distance is equal and it makes a perfect triangle. Alright, now you can lift up this ice cream stick and place two more ice cream sticks just like this and like this, and then you have to place ice cream stick like this. So this is how you will create this structure. Now glue it. So now once you have stick all these ice cream sticks, you flip this over and then mark the center of this ice cream stick. So this is the center of this ice cream stick. Your center depends upon the ice cream stick. So the measurements will not be same, that's why I am not telling you the measurements. So after marking this, you take another stick and then you have to place it like this. Alright, just mark it on the other side too. Okay, so this is the flipped side. Now you have to paste this stick here. So guys, now you have to take three sticks and keep them aside for a bit, and you have to cut the top rounded part of these sticks and make sure they are equal length. So I'll just cut off the rounded part. So guys, now I have cut these sticks, the rounded part off. Now what you are going to do is place these sticks right there like this. Okay, and now with a ruler you have to mark out a point, basically like middle point, and make sure they are properly aligned. So now as you can see, I have marked points, just you can see, and you can see that they are centrally aligned just like this. Now you have to cut these parts off. Okay, so just cut these. So as you can see, I've cut these sticks. So this was one stick, I've cut the middle part off, which I told you about, and now you have to paste these onto these. So first you have to paste this here, and the other end you have to paste at the very end. So as you can see, there is a little gap between these two sticks which we really want. Okay, so you have to paste all sticks like this. So guys, now place one more sticks on top of these three. So just like one stick over here, one stick over here, and one stick over here, and you can see that how it looks now. So it has some spaces between these three. Okay, so place sticks like this and make sure the stick is coming on over here also, not just like this, so it will leave some gap, but like this, so it will cover the whole stick up. So guys, as you can see, I have pasted the sticks. Now there is a little gap between these sticks, here and here. Okay, so once this step is done, you have to take an ice cream stick and then place it over here just like this. So some spaces like this should be left. It should not be completely like this, but should be like somehow like this. Okay, so just do that. So now you have to make these structures, and you can make these by cutting paper clips and then cutting them from the middle. Okay, so cut them from middle and then intersect one by one like this. So if you intersect them, then you will get these pieces, and you have to make 2 of them. Okay. Alright, so now take some rubber bands. You need 2 rubber bands, and now what you're gonna do is pass this rubber band from here to here. Okay, so you can use a needle to do this. So I've passed this rubber band from here, and I have tied it here, as you can see. Okay, and tie it here. Now you have to pass this from here. Alright.